But why Python? There are so many other programming languages, so why should a manager learn Python? There are three main reasons for this. First, Python has a wide variety of usage, from building websites to controlling robots to creating complex business applications and of course for data analysis. Second, it's extremely easy to learn. With its clear, intuitive and almost English-like syntax, it is very popular for beginners. And finally, it is very widely used in the industry. In fact, in the area of data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence, it is the most widely used language. Which is why, in our postgraduate program in management at the Praxis Business School, we have made it mandatory for all our students in the MBA program to learn Python, and for which we have published an exclusive textbook which is specially written for students with no prior experience in programming.